Mercy on us, Lord have mercy on us. For we bend your brothers on us. Mercy on us, Lord have mercy on us.
Hi besties, good morning. So I'm actually awake by 5:34. This is the time I really want to go and prepare my kids for school. Today is Monday. It's a Monday morning and I want to go and prepare them for school, and I feel like today is going to be a very long day and you guys are going to come along with me, right? Yes. And just go and prepare them for school and know what I have to do today. I know I'm not really being consistent in doing videos here on YouTube, but I want to be right now because I've been so busy trying to see I can start up my business and all of that. But I'll try and be consistent from now on. So let's just go, no long talk, okay? So what I want to do right now in the kitchen is I want to wash the dishes, then warm their food, pack their food, and go and dress them up. So that's just it. I love doing when I'm in the kitchen is always singing praises to God. It uplifts my spirit too, knowing that I'm the only one doing everything in the house. Why am I telling this to like this now? Yes, it uplifts my spirit to knowing that I'm the only one in the house doing the work. So to the market and just done it.
Always walking like the room's on your side. No warning signs, just flashing lights. You speak like sugar, but it cuts like steel. I'm frozen in, I can't tell what's real. You wear that grin like you already won, but your head.
So what I have here is my egusi, crayfish, pepper, and onions. So I'm just going to put this inside the pot. I feel like the egusi is a lot for this pot of soup.
You don't show your cards, just fold. So talk me down easy, don't make a stink. You know I fall fast for dangerous things. If we're just acting, baby, give me the cue, 'cause I can't keep dancing with half of the truth. Your laugh's a puzzle.
To go to the dentist and get my teeth removed. I've been having the most pain at this side. I know that the teeth has been having issues. I've been having a whole root canal treatment and all of that. So I know that the doctor will want me to maintain it, like be doing treatment and all. I can't be doing that. Anybody that goes to the dentist, they know that it is costly. So, and I'm not up for that at all because the pain is a lot. I've been having severe headache, so I just want to go and remove my teeth, no matter what he tells me. I just want to remove it. Even if you tell me, hey, you'll be uncomfortable eating and all of that, it will be scary. So let you get stuck there, because that one is even better than what I'm going through with this fake teeth. This fake teeth they put for me, I beg. This crown, because anything I eat gets stuck there, so I can't be doing with that. I'm sweating a lot. Going to be putting on this I got it from Temu, and it's actually very lovely. The original shoe, the original price of this is very, very expensive, and finding this at least affordable on Temu was worth it. So let me just put it on. Hi besties, the time is 9 and I want to make breakfast for my kids. I'm kind of under the weather and I'm feeling really cold, so let me just prepare breakfast quite quick. come. Let's go.
Your tears are falling, you can't feel it. You can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. Jesus, we all need you.